Hello and welcome to YouTube channel HealthQ, the place where our mission is not only to motivate you, but help you to watch the bright side of the health. I'm your host, physiotherapist Muthanlur, and in today's video, let me show you some progressive exercises for hip replacement surgery. Now, we have already made some of the videos where we have shown do's and don'ts and some simple exercises that you can do immediately after your hip replacement surgery. What I'm going to do in today's video is I'm going to show you a progression of those exercises. These exercises we can do after the 4 weeks of your surgery has been done. So it's a pretty safe period. You are recovering and you will also observe the movements again. However, this video is just for a demonstration purpose. Make sure to show this video to your doctor, take their consent, and then only start with any of the exercises. Please don't do any of the exercises without consent of your doctor or its your physiotherapist, so that you can achieve the best possible results for yourself. By the way, if you need any help for your hip replacement surgery, we are available online for consultations. So you will need to log on to www.healthqrehab.org, book a consultation with a specialist physio who can understand your problem and can help you work on your recovery at the comfort of your home. So let's get started. So friends, the first exercise that we are going to do for your hip is the knee glides. Now sit down, slight amount of knee movements. I think movements is allowed. You can easily do your knee glides. So for this, what you have to do, you have to slide the knee, slide the legs, and then they straight. Remember that this bending should only be to the point till you're offering the lump. Don't try to push your limit much here, and don't try to bend the hip too much so that your hip stays straight, but at the same time, we're moving till there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So this was your first exercise. The next exercise what you have to do is called as SLRs or side leg raises. Now you can do this either in sleeping straight if you can, or else if you find this position or this way of doing it difficult, you can sleep on one side like this, bend the lower leg, and then lift this leg out and down. Remember, you don't have to do it too much. You just have to lift it slightly up and down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. After this, for the next exercise, which is clamshells, again you have to sleep on one side. Remember, the affected side is above and the non-affected leg is below. Now in this position, you will move your leg out and then in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very similarly, you have to keep this leg straight and then bring your leg right and then bring it back. 2, down. 3, 4, back. 5, back. 6, back. 7, back. 8, back. 9, back. 10, and back. And you can now begin. The next exercise that we are going to do is a hip squeeze. For this, again, you have to bend your knee as much as possible, or hip as much as possible, or as much as allowed. You have to take up the rope or else a bedsheet rope, keep it between the legs like this, and squeeze the ball and relax. 2, hold for 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. And 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And relax. This is the next exercise that I have done. Also, the next exercise that we will be doing is bridging exercise. So you will bend the knees, keep the hands on side, lift up the spine, and then down. 2, down. 3, 4, down. 5, down. 6, down. 7, down. 8, 9, and 10. Put up tracks. So friends, the exercises that we saw were in sleepy position. Now, let's see some exercises that we can do in standing position. And the first exercise among that is called as hip hiking, which means you are lifting your hip and then bringing it down. So you can take some support, hip up and down. 2, 3, 4, side, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. For the next exercise, we are going to do swinging of the neck. So all you need to do is swing your hip front and back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Same way we do inside out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And relax. So friends, these were some simple yet very effective and easy exercises that you can do after your hip replacement surgery. I hope you're finding this video series helpful. If yes, make sure to like this video, share this video with your friends and family members, and do not forget to subscribe to HealthQ channel. I'll see you in another video.